Hi class, this is your theater teacher, Ms. Ramos. As we dive deeper into our project-based learning project, one of our pieces of the project will be to write an adaptive version of One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. The day that we put the production on stage, I would like for you to create a narration to open the production with. Instead of writing and commenting on everybody's narrations, I am going to show you how to leave a voice comment on your peers' version of an opening narration using Mote. Mote can be a Google Chrome extension where you can leave voice comments. Mote works with various applications and Google apps, including Google Docs, Google Classroom, Google Slides, Google Forms, etc. A great reason I would love for you to incorporate Mote is because it does help your classmate hear your tone of voice. When comments are being made in written form, even though we mean no harm, can it sound demeaning, and the reader can take your constructive feedback as if you are personally attacking them and their writing. Today, I will walk you through the process of how to leave voice comments using the Mote software. In this example, I have a sample of what someone's show night opening narration could look like. I will be adding a comment to the narration using Mote voice comments. In order to leave a Mote comment, you would first select the word, words, sentence, or sentences that you would like to comment on. When you highlight the portion you want to comment on, the option to create a hypermote will pop up as an option on the right-hand side. Here is what leaving a voice comment would look and sound like when giving constructive feedback on the narration. You will click on the extension and you will click on Start to record your comment. Hi Sharon, this is a great start to opening the show. It may be a little too short of a narration. Do you think putting reasoning as to why the class adapted the play could extend the narration? You could also include a brief history of how the play came about. When you are finished recording your voice comment, you will click the button and click on the Insert button to insert the comment on the selected piece. Once you have inserted the comment, the section that you commented on will be underlined so that the reader knows there is a comment that you have left. If we noticed, Hypermote will only allow you a maximum of 3 minutes to record a voice comment. Thank you, class, for tuning in to this tutorial. I hope this was helpful for you. Once we start to create our Google documents having to do with the script, adaptation, and narrations, this is when it will be a great way for you to start leaving Mote comments on your classmates' documents. See you next time.